One of the challenges manufacturing companies have is to ensure that products on the shop floor are manufactured per exact specifications developed by the engineers. This requires an ongoing creation and update of the item masters and bills of materials inside the intuitive ERP system based on the drawings that come from the CAD systems such as SolidWorks. Through the use of color coding, Aptean CADLink bidirectional interface allows our customers to easily identify any discrepancies between the data in intuitive ERP and the CAD model and quickly update both systems so that critical item and bill of material data is in sync. Engineers can launch CADLink directly from within their CAD application and easily identify new items that need to be created in intuitive ERP item masters. Choose from a list of predefined template items to pre-populate missing properties and fields such as product family, category, unit of measure, and so on. Use CADLink to update both CAD model properties and intuitive ERP item masters. Link part and assembly models to existing items in the ERP system. Add bill of material relationships to fabricated items by linking them directly to the raw material parts in the intuitive ERP database. Update existing item masters and decide on a field-by-field basis whether to update intuitive ERP with changes coming from the CAD model's properties, push values from the intuitive ERP system into the CAD model, or to update both intuitive ERP and the CAD model at the same time. Users can update bills of materials in intuitive ERP by inserting new relationships, deleting components that were removed by engineers from the CAD model, and updating quantities on the existing relationships to match those in each assembly. Engineers can use ignore functionality to permanently exclude a component from the ERP system. They can add and maintain any non-CAD items such as paint, glue, lubricants, packaging material, boxes, crates that need to be added to the intuitive ERP bill of materials but are not part of the CAD assembly model. Users are able to view and, if necessary, create new or modify existing routing records for any of the parts and assemblies. They can review proposed changes to the bill of material, and automatically synchronize item masters and bill of materials with a single mouse click. Intuitive ERP is instantaneously updated, and bill of materials screen shows that all parts and assemblies were properly added and match data in the CAD model. Maintaining, changing, and creating new designs and CAD models is an ongoing activity within the engineering department. CADLink greatly simplifies this task by highlighting quantity discrepancies in the BOM structure and allowing users to resynchronize CAD models with intuitive ERP. If you require additional information about Aptean CADLink for intuitive ERP, we would be happy to arrange a detailed demo.